Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello everybody, hello and welcome to John on a Bike. As a lot of you long-term viewers of the channel know, I've told you many times that you need to check your chain on your bike for wear, and it's something I should have took notice of more myself. End of last year, I was leading into the winter, and I checked my chain and it was badly worn, very badly worn. I've got a chain wear tool here, that's it there, and I checked it with that like I normally do. And for some reason, I must have missed it previously because for some reason it was really badly worn. It had gone from being okay to very badly worn. Now, I've said this many times before, I sound like a grumpy old man, but chains these days are just not made like they used to be. You could put a chain on a bike years back and it would last you literally years, but now they wear out so quick. And when they wear out other parts of your bike as well. Now, I knew that was a risk with this chain when it worn out in the winter. It was just coming into the winter last year, and I thought, do I change the chain over now, or do I try and get a few more miles out of it, you know? Because I thought, well, it's probably worn the cassette anyway. That's what I was thinking. I think if it's this badly worn, I bet it's already worn the cassette. So I thought, I'm just going to use it through the winter, replace the cassette and the chain. Yeah, it's more money, but I thought it's pointless, you know, changing it now because it's worn. So I'll just get a few more miles out of it until I can't use it no more. Well, now I'm at the point, well, I can't use it no more. The chain's slipping on the cassette. The teeth are getting rounded off because the chain wears your components down your bike when it wears out. It's worn the cassette out, and it might even wear the crank out. I'm hoping that the crank's already chain set. I'm hoping it hasn't worn the chain set out. I'm hoping, but I might have to replace that as well. But it's definitely worn the cassette out on the back. The teeth are getting rounded off, and they're getting like little shark's teeth on them rather than being like square tooth teeth. And the chain's skipping as I'm pedaling along. It's just skipping away. It's terrible. It's terrible, horrible experience trying to ride a bike like that. So I'm going to head out there now and I'm going to change the cassette over because, like I say, it's very badly worn. So let's head out there now and we'll get that done. So I've got the new cassette here, and that's obviously the old one. Now, if you take note of, I know it's dirty to see, it's really hard to see because it's dirty, but if you notice the teeth here, how pointy they are. If you see these teeth here, really pointy, and they should be more squared off like what these ones are. And that's why the chain is skipping over the top. So I'm going to take this one off, put this one on. And first of all, I need to take the spindle out and then remove this cassette using a special tool. So I'll get that done now. Now I've just bought a new tool for releasing this cassette. This is a chain whip, and it basically just locks the cassette in place so you can unscrew it. Otherwise the cassette just spins around freely. I have in the past actually just used a cloth and wedged that with the cloth, but I thought this time I'd do it properly, so I've got myself a chain whip. So I've just took the quick release skewer out there, just so I can get this tool on to release the cassette. So I've took off the locking ring there, and now the cassette will just slide off. That one there's the old, obviously, and that one's the new. And I hope you can see the teeth, how bad they are on the old one. If you can see there, I can zoom in close enough there, but they're like little shark teeth, very pointy. So the new cassette, once you get in the right position, it should just slide on. And then the locking nut goes back on to hold it all in place. Perfect. And then I'll put the skewer back there, but that's it. That's the new cassette on. Very simple, easy job to do. I will obviously be putting a new chain on as well because I don't want to wreck this one as well. So that's it. Very simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.